Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to set custom photos as your wallpaper on Windows 11. So by default this is awesome wallpaper, I like it so much, but if you want to set your own custom photos, then you can change it or you can set it. So how can you set it? So you can see this is in your mouse, click the right button on your mouse, then you'll see the personalize, and you need to click here background, then choose a photo or browse a photo. If you click choose a photo, then here we'll get some default photos, you can choose among them. Otherwise, if you want to upload your custom photos from your PC, then click the browse photos. Then I just download one photos from internet, choose a picture. So you can see, click here and cross the button, and you can see it's perfectly changed this wallpaper. So this way you can change your wallpaper, custom photos or custom wallpaper. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today is no more, and see you in the next video.